Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Eric Boke. Today this video is about chicks, how we should give them food, drinks, many things we should share. And I have one of my friend here. It should introduce himself, which work they're doing what, and today they come and visit me in my place, my chick's place.
Hello guys, and welcome back to Eliud Boke YouTube channel. It's a great morning, and I have come to visit Eliud Boke and see what he's doing in his chicken cage. And we want to share some ideas and also engage with the subscribers, those who view this video. And I thank you for watching Eliud Boke's channel. And as he had said earlier, I'm his visitor. I have come today and share one or two things. And Eliud Boke, I'm feel welcomed. And I like to introduce myself. I'm Jukane. That's my name.
I'm Jukane.
Yes.
I'm Jukane.
You can also check out on my YouTube channel. I am doing I also do things like Eliud Boke. In short, I do farming, but I'm not yet. I myself, as I'm also going to do chicken farming. I do things related to agriculture.
Which things are you planting, my friend?
I am planting some varieties of I can say that tomatoes. I plant tomatoes. I do beekeeping, which is my best. In short, I like beekeeping. Okay. Let's see.
Yes, my friend, you can ask any question here. I'm ready to answer you very well.
Yes, my friend, I'm seeing here, this is what the purpose of this thing here?
This you can come and put here food, so that the small chicks which is not here by now, that they can eat here.
A day old chick.
Yeah.
It means that you raise here a day old chick.
Yeah.
And I can see at the above here, inside this house, small house here, there is you say it's a bulb?
Yeah, it's a bulb.
For what purpose? I can see it's red in color.
This one, this is for heat, to produce warmth in a small chicks, which is not here now, but I'm planning to buy them.
You mean that all this chicken that I'm seeing at your house, you bought it at when they are a day old?
Yeah, I bought it.
Okay.
And another one, there's another one here. You can come and see.
There is also a bulb here.
Yeah, this one is also using like that bulb. You see there, a red bulb is also.
Wow, I can see this is an amazing idea.
Yeah.
This is the door.
Yeah, this one. Come and lock here, so that they can't move outside.
Okay, my friend. And I can see that you provided some food very earlier.
Yeah, they're also eating this. Yeah.
You mean most of them are okay?
Yeah.
I can see that.
You can see this one. Like this one is already eaten. You can see.
Yes.
Yeah, it's full. Yeah.
Wow, how healthy they are.
If you sell now, that's supposed to 1,000 ants.
1,000.
Yeah, ants.
Wow.
And I bought in 105.
105.
Yeah.
Now to 1,000.
Now to 1,000.
Wow, that's a big profit.
Yeah. And already I have eggs. Yeah. But there's no now here inside here. There's no eggs inside here. I put in my big house there. Yeah.
You have already collected?
Yeah, I've already collected.
Wow. How I wish I could come earlier for I can see the how you collect eggs.
Yeah.
Wow. That's so amazing.
Yeah.
What's are these things I can see here?
This one.
Yes.
The hair, the chicks, they want to produce eggs. They come and produce here. Yeah.
You mean when they want to lay eggs, they come at this point?
Yeah.
You direct them or themselves?
Themselves.
Okay.
They know.
Wow.
And you should give them main things. Yeah.
Yeah.
Main things. Let me go and bring one of the food greens. Yeah. That they're eating mostly. Yeah.
To supplement them with the vitamins.
Yeah.
Wow.
And guys, they like these glasses. They like these glasses mostly. They like it. You see, they're eating. I'm also eating that glasses. They're eating that glasses. Yes, as you are seeing, eating. And I have one duck there.
Yes, you have a duck.
Yeah, you can see.
Wow, how healthy it is.
I need bring it up there. Yeah, that one. You can catch it.
Can I catch it?
Yeah.
Wow.
Thank you for coming to visit me, my friend. I'm Jukane. Yeah, you have said you have called me Jukane.
I'm Jukane.
Thank you for coming and visit me in my small
chicken farming.
Thank you for coming, my friend. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Okay, guys, welcome to Eliud Boke YouTube channel, and I thank you for having me for this day.
Yeah.
As I have said to you earlier, I have a YouTube channel. You can go check, and you can simply search Ajim 245.
Yes. You have 2 YouTube channels?
No, but there's a mistake I made.
Okay.
I created a YouTube channel, then I changed the name to Ajim Sakani. I created first YouTube channel,
Yes.
then I called myself Ajim Sakani. So then I went on and changed the name to Jukane. So there's an error.
Why you changed? How? Is it because that name is not good for people? What? How?
It's good, but I decided
To change?
it for there's no good reason, but I just decided that.
Yeah.
And most people, when they search my name, Jukane, maybe they don't, when they search the results come different.
Yeah.
And when they search Ajim 245,
Yes.
then it come Jukan. I don't know why.
Thank you very much, my friend, to come and visit me.
Welcome.
Welcome.